The Blue Jackal. It was a lonely, silent night. All the streets were empty, but one could hear the cry of a jackal who was running for his life. This jackal is running for its life because it is being chased by the wild dogs. The jackal was trying to escape the hungry dogs who were after him on the streets of a small village. The jackal was almost at his last breath when he saw the open door of a washerman's house. He ran into the house and tried to find a place to hide. He jumped into a tub that was lying there, but in the darkness could not see that it had blue dye in it. The jackal is being chased by the wild lags, no? So in order to escape from them, when it saw an open door of a house, it just ran into it and jumped into a tub. It didn't know what is there in the tub. It just jumped into the tub so that it can hide inside from the dogs. A few minutes later, the jackal came out of his hiding place. Little did he know the change of his color, till he saw the same dogs who were chasing him are running away in fright. See? Till now these dogs were chasing for this jackal, but soon after they saw the jackal coming out, they ran with fright because they saw this blue color on its body, no? So they got frightened. What is this new animal thinking? But they didn't know that it was the jackal itself. Even the jackal didn't know the change of its color. The jackal breathed a sigh of relief and walked to the forest. But when the animals saw him, all of them were terrified. "What is that strange creature?" asked the elephant. "I have never seen an animal of this color," said the panther. "It has come from another land," hissed the snake. "Must be powerful," hooted the owl. See, different animals are saying different things of this new colored creature. The jackal was surprised with this reaction till he saw his reflection in the lake. When it went near the lake to drink some water, it saw its reflection in the water, and then it realized why all these animals are acting like this. He had turned the color of the dye the washerman had left in the tub blue. So now it understood how it got that blue color because of the washerman's dye in the tub. The clever jackal thought he could now use his new color to trick the animals. He proclaimed himself the king of the forest and began his rule. He appointed the lion as his minister, the wolf as his assistant, and the tiger as his hunter. Every day, the tiger would hunt for food and bring the kill to the new king as food. See how clever is this jackal? It has appointed each animal in different things, and it is happily enjoying the life like a king. The jackal has appointed the tiger as his new hunter, and every day the tiger should hunt and give food for the jackal. The jackal had ordered all the other jackals to leave the forest. His life was just perfect. He had all the mighty animals looking after his every need. So now nicely the jackal is enjoying his life without doing anything. All the animals are treating it like a king, and it is enjoying all their deeds. One night he was resting in the den when he heard the cry of another jackal. Since crying out in the night was his nature, he cried back. Now this is the time to get caught up. The jackal, we forgot that it is the new creature and it is acting like a king. So when it heard a jackal's cry, it cried back. So the animals outside his den were shocked to hear their mighty king crying out like a jackal. The animals outside his den were shocked to hear their mighty king crying out like a jackal. They were surprised. How come the king is shouting like a jackal? How come the sound is coming inside? Then they peeped inside the den and realized that the new king was indeed a jackal in a different color. They jumped onto him at once and gave him nice beating as punishment. That was the end of the jackal's reign as the king of the forest. So they all got so angry on this jackal and they jumped on it, and it has killed the lion, actually killed the jackal, and that it was the end of its reign. It never came. That was the end of the jackal's reign as the king of the forest.